In this lecture, we'll try to understand about the drop table, how we can drop the table. So what is drop table? Let me try to explain you. Let's say you have one table. Let's assume that this is your table is there, okay? And this table contain your number of records are there. Now what I want, this table is not important for me because it is consuming some space. Let's say it has consumed space around 50 GB. Now I want this space to be used for some other purpose. So obviously we'll try to drop this table. Now how to drop the table? If you drop the table, this space will be released. But yes, every time it will not get released. So if you check the syntax of your drop table, what it's saying, Oracle drop table is used to remove or delete a table from the Oracle database. Whenever you want to delete a table, that time you can use a drop table. Now the syntax, if you check drop, then table name, we need to specify a schema name also. Right now the table which we created, that is under sysuser only. So schema we don't need to mention because we are already logged in with sysuser. So drop table name, and these two options are optional. So if you use cascade constraint, you know the table will be always, sometime it will get linked with another table also. Due to the primary key and foreign key constraint, we also call it as a referential integrity. Now if you use cascade constraint, it will also remove the referential integrity, or you can also use purge option. Normally in Oracle database, what will happen, whenever you are dropping a table, let's say you are dropping a table, and if your recycle bin option is on, this table will go into the recycle bin. In our Windows also we have the same option, right? If you are deleting any files or folder, it will go into the recycle bin, and if you delete it from the recycle bin, then only permanently it will get deleted, and there is no way to restore it unless and until you have a backup. So if you use a drop table command, what will happen? If your database have recycle bin enabled, it will go into the recycle bin. But along with the drop table, if you use purge option, the table will get dropped permanently and it will not go into the recycle bin. And the space which was consumed by the table, it will get released. Actually, when your table is going inside the recycle bin, even though if you drop it, the space it will consume. Okay, it will not release the space unless and until you delete it from the recycle bin or you use purge option. Now let's try to understand how to drop a table. So this is the employee table which I'm having. Again, while you are dropping a table in the real-time production environment, make sure you have a proper approval and everything is in place. Okay, so I'm not dropping this table, or before I drop this table, what I will do, I'll create one backup table. Create table emp1 as select star from emp. So what it will do, it will copy all the data from emp table to the emp1, and it will create new table also. We already seen this in the previous lecture. What I can see, the emp1 table is also created and it has the same data like my old table. Now I can drop my old table. Drop table. I'm just creating a new table for the safer side. Okay, it's not a compulsory step, but now I can drop my previous table. Drop table name. I can see that the table has been dropped. Now if I try to do select star from emp, I will not be able to do that because this table has been already dropped. So I'm getting a message called table or view does not exist. Okay, this is how you can drop a table. Again, if you want to drop a table with purge option, you can use a purge option also here. Now these are all keywords you can see here, predefined keyword. That's why the color is showing it as in different color, because these are all predefined keyword. Okay, now if I add something wrong here, you can see the color is getting changed. So something is wrong. Now it is good. So this is all about the dropping the table. Thank you.